Hello everyone, welcome back to my car, my channel, all of the things. Today is a very exciting day. I finally finished all of my jobs. So I finished my second job, like my ice cream scooping part-time job, on Sunday. It is now Wednesday. I just finished my full-time job, hence the attire, and I am so excited. Tomorrow we continue the move-in. So this evening I am going to be doing a whole lot of packing. I am going to be hanging out with a friend. So we're just gonna take you guys along on the big journey. Yay! I'm really excited to be done. So I think I'm gonna do a whole video on my internship and what I took from it and all that kind of stuff. But for right now, I am just going to tell you that if you have the opportunity to get an office job in like your first year, freshman year, wherever you are, whatever you want to call it, do it. Even if it doesn't pay as much, I honestly think that you should do it because it will teach you so much about like professionalism, how to carry yourself, how to do interviews, how to do coffee chats, networking, just like office stuff. And I feel like it really helped me understand how to act in an office and how to have coworker friends and colleagues. Like, that's weird, I have colleagues. Anyways, yeah, that's all I wanted to say right now. I will catch up with you guys when I'm doing some good old packing. So let's keep driving home. Maybe we'll bop around with some tunes, and yeah, goodbye work, yay. Okay, so I'm back at home. Actually, I'm gonna change first. 1 second. Okay, now I am ready to go. So I'm home, and now I'm gonna start packing. So I'm sitting right here beside my desk, and I just need to go through all of my drawers to get all the things out of them that I need. I also have a few piles of books and stuff over there. So that's what we're gonna start to do now. So let's go in back. So I just cleaned out all of these drawers, kind of. I cleaned out everything that I want, and my floor is now a mess. So over here I have all my bathroom stuff. Over here is all of my makeup. Yeah, and then over here I have my candles, and then those are my nail polishes. So I don't really know how I'm gonna store all of this, especially the candles. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna start figuring that out. It's only been like 20 minutes. I love this kind of stuff, so I do it really fast. I also have a little pile right here of all the stuff that I still need. So I've got allergy pills, a little bit of mascara, you know, just eyebrow stuff, a beauty blender, concealer, you know, deodorant, all the stuff. So now I'm gonna try and figure out how I'm gonna transport all of these things because it's a lot. Let's go on this journey now.
What else?
She's just watching us pack up the car. So cute. Whew. Good morning. I was a huge flopperosky of vlogging yesterday. It's now Thursday. Did I even say that yesterday was Wednesday? I don't know. If I did, it's now the next day. If I didn't, yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. No. Whatever. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. And we are moving on. So I'm now driving on my way to London. I've got about an hour and a half, and the car is all packed. My dad is behind me with another car because I have a lot of things, and it's gonna be a good time. I'm very hyped. I'm very excited to do all the moving. I get to see Juliet today, so you guys, Juliet will be back in the vids. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna go listen to some podcasts because I'm very behind, so I downloaded a bunch of them for my drive, and that is the sitch. So, I will see you guys later. So, we have arrived. Welcome back to London. Today's plan is to get my bed frame set up. So I'm gonna like put this little guy back together, put it up on my bed, and then that we are going to cut to fit this window and stain it to match that. Do as best as we can, at least. So let's get started. Yeah.
Okay.
That is a big desk. We did it! I know. Yikes. So it's been, I'm gonna say at least like several hours. It is now almost 4 o'clock in the PM. So just to give a little lowdown on what we have accomplished. My dad just left, so it's just me now. I got my bed headboard. We were gonna do the full thing, but for some reason my bed didn't fit in it. So we got that all set up, and yeah! And then, for the big thing, my desk is finally kind of complete. So what we did, we made a huge like cardboard cutout of what the wood was gonna, like what the cut was gonna have to be on the wood. My dad brought a table saw, so we did that. My hands are covered in stain, so that's good. And then we like cut it, put supports on it, put some legs, you can see my legs, and then we like put it in. And I was so scared that it wasn't gonna fit, but it did. So then we went to lunch, and then after lunch, we stained this bad boy and my hands. But now it's just me, and I think I'm gonna have to do another coat on that later, but it's just me. So now I'm gonna go out to my car, get all of my things, because I put like all my stuff in my car and all of like the big things in my dad's car. So now we start unpacking, putting all my clothes in there. I still can't put anything on my desk, which is a little bit unfortunate, but it's okay, we're gonna make it through. And yeah, let's just get this going. Woohoo! A lot of progress. So let me just show you my closet really quickly. I guess it's not a closet, it's my wardrobe. So I have all of my long sleeves, my dresses, and my business stuff right there. And then I have all my pants and then a bunch of coins there because I have a lot of coins. And then on this side, I have all of my like short sleeves. I know, I need more clothes. And then I have all of my like cotton sleeves, my t-shirts, and then all of my sweaters. I have a lot of sweaters. Then in here, I just have like bras, underwear, socks, workout clothes. And then this just has all shoes. And then I have another pair of shoes there that I don't know what to do with. Now I'm heading off to the grocery store, and I'm gonna go kind of ham. And it's not gonna be fun because I'm gonna spend so much money, but it's good because, you know, first shop is always hard. So let's do this. Let's go to the grocery store. Wow, great lighting. Anyways, groceries are bought, and now we are off to do something super, super duper exciting. I literally can't see. You'll see. Who's excited? Everyone should be excited. That's all I have to say. Peace out. Wow, this lighting is just phenomenal. Hey guys, so I kind of forgot that I was vlogging. Oops. Anyways, it is now the next day. So, update. Basically, what went down was Juliet and I got home, and then we made dinner, ate dinner, sat and chatted for a bit, and that's pretty much it. Then we went to sleep, cleaned, actually we put a lot of stuff away, which was really good. But now, I just dropped her off at her leadership thingy. Go Juliet. And I'm heading to the dollar store because we have a lot of like really random things that we need to get. Bitch. So, that's what I'm gonna go do right now. I'm gonna get some garbage cans, some hangers, some recycling bins, you know, all the fun stuff. So, you know, maybe I'll actually bring you in the dollar store with me. That could be fun. Also, my ear hurts, which isn't fun. I'm gonna go. Bye. So I'm back from my shopping extravaganza, and I'm gonna do a little haul. So I went to the dollar store, I went to Walmart, I went to Home Sense. I think that's all the places I bought stuff. So let's just go through this. Got a little bath mat. I'm gonna open it because I need this for my bathroom for when I get out of the shower. It's just a gray little dotted, oh, it's kind of small. I probably should have gotten a bigger one. that's okay. So that's gonna go in the bathroom. I got some placemats because we need placemats for our table, and these ones are just cute, so that's good. Then from the dollar store, I got 2 cups. One of these is gonna go in my bathroom, and the other one is gonna be like the cup that stays on my bedside table for when I'm thirsty. I got a lighter for my candles. That like stresses me out. Then I got 2 garbage cans, 2 little, I can't get them apart. 2 little white garbage cans, one for the bathroom, one for my room, which is always good. I also got 2 recycling bins, but you're sitting on those right now, so yeah. I got a little shower caddy thing to put all of our things on. And then just some Lysol wipes because we were out, and I'm gonna do a whole lot of cleaning today, so that is fun. And then a toilet brush because, as I said, I'm gonna be doing a lot of cleaning, so I need to clean the toilets. Yay. 1 bag down. Second bag, I got some of these cork things to put under hot pots. There's 4 of them. I kind of think that's overkill, but I did it. And a little face cloth thingy, a metal spatula. That's gonna be loud. I'll put that on the ground. You know, a nice little pong kit. I got a bunch of chip clips because we need these to keep our food fresh. 2 picture frames. They're gonna go up on my mantle, likely. I got those. I got some mason jars because you never know when you're gonna need a good jar. And then the last things in this bag are just some cork, these things, cork squares. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is put a bunch of these up on my wall, like back there, you know, and then like put pictures and fun things on them. So I hope that works. That's the end of this bag. So now onto these. Receipt. I got some command hooks. I got some 25-cent coin rollers because I have a lot of quarters and I want to take them to the bank. And then some command strips. And then I got 3 of these little bins just to help me organize, and then 1 of this bin to organize. So, you think that's all? No. We've got more. Then from HomeSense, which is like the Home Goods of Canada, I got this blanket, which I think I'm gonna throw on my desk chair once I get it, or once I bring it up, because I really don't like my chair, and this just adds so much comfiness to it, so I'm really looking forward to that. I got a blender bottle because they were on sale for like $6, so like how could you not? Yeah. And the final thing I got are these coasters, which are absolutely beautiful. They're like marble with gold on them, with like metallic-y stuff on them. So I think that will be absolutely great to like put on our coffee table, but also I'm gonna need some for my desk because she's fancy and I want to protect it. So those are all the things that I bought. Now I made a mess, so I'm gonna avoid it for right now. I'm gonna go clean. No, I'm gonna go make lunch because I'm really hungry and I want food. So we're gonna do that, and then gonna start cleaning and organizing and putting everything away where it should be. So woo! So I changed my mind. I'm not gonna clean right now. I'm actually gonna do another coat on my desk. So my plan here is to just stain it. So it's really kind of matting. It's making me mad because there's like a lot of sun on it right now, so I kind of can't see it properly, but that's okay. Let's do this thing. Okay, so since the last time I talked to you guys, I stained my desk. I cleaned, well, somewhat cleaned my entire bathroom. So let me just show you that really quickly. I even mopped. Wow. So basically, you know, I cleaned the bathtub, I cleaned the shower, I put my little caddy thing in, I cleaned the toilet, I mopped the floors, and I organized this little thing, so now it looks like this. And so I've got all of my makeup, some more makeup, some random skincare things. My vitamins are up there. All of our tampons are up there. And then this one is just kind of a mumbo jumbo. So these are all pills, random things, nail polish, empty stuff. And then I also have my bank statement, which we don't need to see. I hung up 2 little things that has scrunchies, that has a little face cloth, and then that's my bathroom cup. I still have the cleaner here. I want to get a little plate for like my little jewelry. And then here I have my everyday like bathroom stuff, and then my everyday makeup and hairbrush. Here I just put my blow dryer. And yeah, that's pretty much all the things that we've accomplished in the past like hour-ish. So now I think what I'm gonna do is clean up the kitchen because it is an absolute disaster. Like, wow, wow, wow. So I think I'm gonna start with doing some dishes and then figuring out where things are gonna go. So, excuse me, I'm gonna get onto that now. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so I did a solid amount of cleaning. Look, wow, that's a lot better than it was before, right? Right. So now I'm heading off to the bank because I have a lot of change and I don't want to deal with it anymore. But I'm also going to go to an Urban because there's an Urban Outfitters right across the street from the bank. So maybe I'll see you guys there. Maybe not. We'll see. Oh, so that didn't really work out as planned. So I went to the bank, and the bank didn't accept my coins, so I have to go to a different bank, but I know that this one accepts it because I asked. So that's what I'm gonna do. Anyways, I went to Urban, and I got a few things, but I think I'm gonna do a back to school haul because maybe I'm turning into that kind of channel. I don't know. I just really want to. I think it would be fun. So I'm going to. Haters gonna hate, who cares? I'm gonna do that. So I'm heading to the mall, because the mall is where the bank is that takes my coins. And I'm probably going there too, because I'm just in a really shoppy mood. Because I've just spent so much money today. And you know, might as well keep it up. I guess that's my logic. This lighting is awful, so I apologize. I'm trying to figure out how to get out of here without having to go turn left into a busy street. So wish me luck. Good luck, Tessa. Wow, it has been like 6 days, not really, it's been like 3 days since I have talked to you guys, which means that a lot has gone down and there's been lots of changes. So I'm just gonna show you the room now. I finally was able to put stuff on my desk, so she's looking a little bit messy, but that's okay. We are just gonna give a nice little room tour because I feel like I have no idea, but I feel like this video is kind of long and I also look like trash. So we're just gonna pretend that's not a thing and move on with our lives. So we will get to the room tour. So this is just a little overview of what it looks like right when you walk in. So there you have my bed, my mantle for my fireplace, mirror, and then over there, the majestic beauty, my desk. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this little room tour, this very long moving vlog. I'm sure it'll be like hours and hours and hours and hours of footage. So yay, I'll have fun editing that one. Yeah, if you enjoyed, also, like I'm literally disgusting right now. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give us a nice thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment saying how much you love this video. Also, no, but like for real, let me know what I should do with all of this stuff, okay? Okay, thanks. But of course, you should also subscribe. So, that being said, I will see you guys next time. Peace and bye-bye.